Have you ever wanted to make money daily using AI? Let me show you 5 powerful tools that pay you every day. No investment, no experience, no problem. Number 1, Canva AI. Use Magic Write to create social media posts. Sell them on Fiverr or offer Instagram caption services. You can deliver work in minutes using AI. Number 2, Pictory AI. This tool turns text into YouTube videos automatically. Offer faceless video services on freelancing sites. Fast delivery means faster income. Number 3, ChatGPT. Use it for content writing, blogs, email marketing, and product descriptions, sell services, or work on micro-task platforms. You don't even need to type much. Number 4, Opus Clip. Take long videos and convert them into viral shorts. Sell this service to YouTubers. It takes just a few clicks and pays well if done right. Number 5, Leonardo AI. Generates stunning art and visuals. Use them in t-shirt designs, thumbnails, or even sell digital prints. You can earn passively by